Hi guys, what's up? How's it going? So I just want to quickly show you guys the takedown process for the last spring twist installation that we did. I want to show you guys how to take it down in a way that you would be able to reuse it. As I mentioned in the video, you can watch the video here. Just look up. Thank you. The economy isn't friendly to just use some extensions once. This is the difference between tying it or threading it on your hair and braiding it first. If I had braided it first, I would be struggling to take it down just the way I'm doing right here. And when I take it down, I will take down a loose spring twisted hair the way I installed. If you braid the hair before twisting, it's going to last a bit longer than when you just thread it and twist it. Just from the events that we had, from the trip that I went to, I don't want to show anybody's face, so I try to crop them out. Thank you for watching. I love you. Ciao.